Sometimes when you get to camp, all you want to do is pull up and grab a cold beer and just take stock of where you're pulled up for the day. This is a quick little hack. You don't have to go digging through your kitchen. Most of the time you whack this right on the edge of the kitchen. I picked this up today from Woolies, half price, down from $2 to $1. These here are a couple of rare earth magnets. You can get them off eBay. I bought them years ago and they've been stuck on the side of the fridge. I'll see if I can find a link. They'll cost you probably $2 or $3 for 10 of them, and they'll last you forever. Now, these bottle openers are fantastic because this is all silicon. So what we're going to do, I get something sharp, I'm going to feed them down inside here. I'll place them there and there. And these rare earth magnets, still super strong, they should be more than enough to be able to magnetize onto that and whack it on the side of the kitchen in the camper trailer. Now you just want to work them down with something that's non-metallic, because if you do it with a knife, it's going to be an absolute pain in the butt to get in and out, and it's just going to catch and just move from side to side. So an old wooden skewer or something from the barbecue works perfectly, as you can see, just working its way down. That'll do. About there. And then perfect. Should be able to put the other one in. Pick the bloody thing up. Work it in underneath. That's silicon. Keep them nice and spread out. So that should be enough. Dimple there and there. I'm wondering whether I can actually hit this with a bit of a heat gun and see if it will shrink up against it a bit more and keep those magnets in place, because it probably will move around a little bit when I'm on the road. But we'll hit it with the heat gun or the wife's hairdryer and see if we have any luck. If not, I don't think it's going to be a huge deal. Even a little bit of silicon or something on the inside of here, just to stop them moving or any dust getting in. And we'll jump and put it on the trailer. And just like that, we're good to go. That's not going anywhere. The silicon over the top is going to be great, that it won't leave any rub marks on the powder coating when we go over corrugations. So now all we've got to do, pull up to camp, swing open the tailgate, and it's there ready to go. If you don't have a cover on your angle, you could do that as well. Beats leaving it in the transit bag or something like that. So that's my little trick for $1. Any questions? Any other ideas? Please let me know. Bye for now.